Hello YouTube, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to open this Apc UPS for cleaning purpose and battery replacement. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. More videos coming your way. Unplug the power cord. Remove the battery door by pressing the tabs and sliding out the door. Remove the faulty or old battery by unplugging the red and black wire. I use a multimeter to test the old and new battery. Starting with the new battery. New battery shows a voltage of approximately 12.9 volts. The old battery is hardly holding any charge. To open the UPS for cleaning, unscrew the 5 screws. Please take utmost care while handling and cleaning. Pass the red and black wire from this opening. put back the bottom panel followed by the 5 screws. For the new replacement battery, I have used a Exide Chloride safepower CS712. You can use any other brands which is available in your area. Plug in the red and black wire respectively. Slide in the battery door. That will be all in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hope this video is of help, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon. More videos coming your way.